Hey everyone, welcome back. It's September 2025 when patience and strategy collide. The U.S. immigration system is closing out the fiscal year, and with it, the September Visa Bulletin has landed. For some, it's the same frustrating freeze we've seen for months, but for others, this month brings a surprising opening, one that could make all the difference if you act quickly. Chapter 1. Why it matters. For thousands of families, this is deeply personal. It's about reuniting with your spouse or child, finally moving forward on your green card, and maybe, just maybe, avoiding another year of waiting. While some policies from the Trump administration shaped tighter timelines, today's reality is defined by USCIS decisions and NVC scheduling. Chapter 2. Employment-based categories are frozen here. The hard truth. Employment-based categories are completely frozen in September 2025. Let AS break it down with the final action dates. EB1. India still stuck at February 15, 2022. China unchanged at November 15, 2022. All others are current. EB2 and EB3 and others. No movement at all. Same as August. EB5. Unreserved. India remains at November 15, 2019. China at December 8, 2015. All others are current. EB5, reserve projects, rural, high unemployment, infrastructure, remain current. USCIS will use the final action dates chart, Chart A, exclusively for all employment-based adjustment of status applications this month. This freeze is because the fiscal year quotas for EB categories are maxed out, and numbers reset only in October. These remain unchanged from August. Simply put, no green cards are being approved for employment-based categories this month. Chapter 3. But, an exception in family-based F2A. There is one exception, family-based filings under F2A, that S spouses and unmarried children, under 21 of green card holders, remain open for filing. The dates for filing, Chart B for F2A, have advanced to June 1, 2025 across the board. That means Indian and all other permanent residents can file adjustment of status now, even though final approvals will only happen once visa numbers revive. If you've been stuck in limbo, this is a 1-month-only window you can't miss. Get your paperwork ready now. Chapter 4. What to expect as the fiscal year ends. As we close out the fiscal year, September 30th, 2025, the State Department expects most employment-based categories to hit their annual limits any day now. So what's next? Starting in October, we get a brand new Visa Bulletin. Final action dates may reset, and filing windows might open. But historically, the first few months of the fiscal year may also see slow progress or even retrogression, depending on demand. It all depends on visa issuance pace and backlogs. Chapter 5. Practical tips for viewers. Check your priority date and know which chart you use. Employment-based uses final action dates, family-based uses dates for filing. If eligible in F2A, file now. Don't wait for October. Stay vigilant. Review the October bulletin as soon as it's released. Plan for delays. Even if numbers reset, processing times can still stretch months if USCIS is backed up. To sum up, EB categories, frozen, but F2A family-based, open for filing this month. Act quickly and stay informed to be ready for the new fiscal year. If you found this helpful, please hit that like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you get updates directly to your phone. I'll be here breaking down the October bulletin when it drops. Stay hopeful and proactive.